What's going on, guys? Sean here, and in today's video we're doing deep web mystery box.
Nerf this!
Full disclaimer, title is not clickbait, so if you're thinking I bought a mystery box, let's get that right out of the way. I did not buy a mystery box. I'm only here to talk about the trend of buying the mystery box off the dark or deep web. So with that being said, if you want to close this video, close it now. If not, keep on watching. So for those of you who don't know what the deep or dark web is, it is a part of the internet where you can do illegal or illicit activities such as purchasing drugs, weapons, going and viewing, horrific crimes live or streamed, so to speak. I've never accessed it. I've never tried to access it, nor will I ever, because of the experiences I've heard other people having on YouTube and Reddit and all that stuff. With that being said, there's a huge trend within the YouTube community, which I'm sure that you guys have seen, of people buying these mystery boxes, opening them up and finding like murder weapons, hard drives, SD cards with crimes on them, boxes of teeth I've seen. It's just really not good. So guys, you don't want to go down that rabbit hole. There's this one specific YouTuber, I don't recall his name, I think it's B something. He exposed the contents of the mystery box to the police and now he's getting like stalked, or so it seems. I don't know if these videos are legit or not, but it's like, why would you even risk that? If they're gonna send you stuff that's linked to a crime, as such a crime as murder, why would you even do that in the first place? That's just bad news written all over it. So especially if you're a younger viewer, guys, just do not even try. You're just gonna get yourself in trouble. You're just gonna set yourself up to be disappointed, really. And I know it might be cool and exciting and like thrilling to think about it, but honestly, guys, just stay away. Just don't even get involved in that stuff. If you think it's cool, watch the other people do it. Don't do it yourself. Don't try it. I am planning on buying a mystery box off eBay completely legally and ethically. But guys, just don't even get yourself involved with that. So that's just my little warning to you. Like I said, that one YouTuber in specific, he's got a whole like series on it now with him buying a box, it being linked to a murder, or so it looks like. We don't know if it's legit 100% or not, but I mean, you're only going off what he says, and he's saying he's not joking in his YouTube videos. There's like a fly in here, and it's like distracting me, sorry. And now that person who sent him that box, who's claiming that box was for his eyes only, is now stalking him and almost got him. Is now stalking him and making his life a nightmare. And let me break down the video real quick synopsis, so you can know the gravity of the situation if you're thinking about doing something like this, or just trying to get on the deep web in general. He bought this box. It contained human teeth, baking soda, scissors, glove with like blood on it, and a little a digital camera with an SD card. He plugged in the SD card and it looked to be like a murder. Someone with a bag over the head, bloody shirt, rope, and you hear a gunshot at the end. Now, in the sequential videos after that, it's him being, basically harassed by someone who's following him. They sent him pictures of himself, like, from afar, taking pictures of him like in his own home, just warning him that he messed up by exposing what was inside the box. They sent him like goat eyes and a tongue, a goat head, a dead rat. Like, it's just really, really creepy stuff that you just do not want to even get involved in. So, guys, I mean, if you're younger, I know you might not really know the gravity of the situation. If you're older, just don't do it, bro. Just don't do it. Let the other people do it. Let them, do their thing, but just don't get caught up in it, all right? Because I'm trying to look out for you. I'm trying to help you get to where you want to be, and where you want to be is not on the dark web, all right? So thanks so much for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Just wanted to shoot this little bonus video out there for you today. So hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you on Monday. Thanks so much.